Hello everyone. Today's date is 23 April 2022. Today's our topic is polymorphism in Java. So before starting the topic, let me introduce myself. I am Chetan Ajay Kondlewa from Chandrapur. I have done my engineering in field electrical engineer from Gondwana University, Gadchiroli in 2019. So we will discuss today's topic, that is polymorphism in Java. So polymorphism in Java is a concept of OOPS, that is object oriented programming language. So object oriented programming language, it's about creating an object contains data and method. Now the class and objects are the main aspects of OOPS, that is object oriented programming. So we know the class is a template of an object and object is an instance of a class. So we will move towards our topic, that is polymorphism in Java. So there are four main pillars of OOPS, that is object oriented programming language. So this polymorphism is one of them. So let me discuss the polymorphism. Polymorphism is a combination of two words, that is poly and morphism. Poly means many and morphism means forms. So it performs many forms. So it takes or perform the logical and method in many ways. That is, the one operation is performed is multiple ways. This is known as polymorphism. So there are two types of polymorphism. The first one is compile time polymorphism and second one is runtime polymorphism. The compile time we will see one by one. The first one is compile time polymorphism. The compile time polymorphism is also called as static polymorphism. In this type we can achieve the function overloading and method and operator overloading. So if you overload the static method in Java, this is an example of compile time overloading. So there are the compile time overloading occurrings, method overloading or operator overloading. So first we see method overloading. In a Java class, the method is we can create a method with the same name and they are different in parameters. This is a method overloading. Our next is operator overloading. In a operator in Java behave differently with the different operands. This is a operator overloading. So our next one is runtime polymorphism. In this process, runtime polymorphism. In this process, in which function called to the override method is resolved at runtime. This is called as runtime polymorphism. So the runtime polymorphism occurrings method overriding. In this method overriding, if the method have same if the same method is present in superclass and subclass, then the subclass method is override the superclass. This is known as method overriding. This is the types of polymorphism in Java, and now there are some characteristics and features of polymorphism in Java. So we will see one by one. The first one is the functionality of a method behave differently in a different scenarios. Second one is the behavior of method depends upon the data provides. Third one is it's allow the same name for a member or method in class with the different types. Fourth one is polymorphism supports implicit type conversion. Polymorphism supports implicit type conversion. These are the characteristics and all the features of polymorphism, and this is all about the polymorphism in Java. Thank you.